Guys, biryani tayo guys, biryani.
Huh?
First time I cook biryani. Adobo biryani with turmeric to guys. So, sarap, kain. Woo. Oh, kain guys. Tikman natin yung luto kong biryani. Sarap. Ilagyan ko ito ng spicy. I put the spicy. Sarap. I put the mushroom. Here's the mushroom. Sarap guys. Nilagyan ko ng garlic, fried garlic din. Sarap. Kain. Basmati rice guys, basmati rice. Okay. Sarap ba? Sarap. Sarap ng biryani. Basmati rice. First time ko kumain nito guys. Mango girl. Mango. It's good, sweet. Sarap. Sarap guys. Kain tayo. Sarap. Good ah.
Yeah, okay.
Sarap guys. Matamis. Sweet.
What?
Sweet.
What are you eating?
Okay guys, bye. Sarap. Kain muna kami.